Good morning, foodies.
Listen, y'all can have those other love languages. You want to know what my love language is? Food. I love questions like, can I cook for you? Have you eaten? Can I feed you? Can I bring...
Good morning, foodies, and in today's video we'll be making quick oats porridge mix. Quick, easy, and simple. Here I am showing you guys some of the things I'll be adding: vanilla, rose water, cinnamon powder, mixed spice, and nutmeg. So stay tuned for the rest of this video. We added our water to the pot and now we're adding salt for taste. So guys, this can even be prepared in a microwave because as you can see here, it's showing you the microwave cooking directions. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Now we will be sweetening our quick oatmeal mix. You definitely don't have to add these, but I like the flavor that they bring, so I add it into mine. I know you guys saw mixed spice or baking, but I add it in porridge sometimes. So yeah, cinnamon powder and mixed spice. Now if you guys know these porridge mix, you will see on the packet where it says it only takes a few minutes, but you know, I like to fully prepare my meals. So while you're at it, don't forget to 1 little scoop of sugar and some sweet milk, and then you stir. This is the end result of our oatmeal porridge. You can pair it with crackers or bread, cream crackers, anything of your choice. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video and drop some video ideas of some things you'd want to see me cook. Bye guys, stay tuned for more cooking videos.
Yeah. Once I got to the world, yeah. Things get hard, mankind get corrupt. Innocent youth lock up, wicked them free up. I saw the world corrupt. Mankind get corrupt, innocent youth them lock up. But the wicked them free up. So the world it corrupt. So it's there, you can't just knock these years.